Now it's time to look into the air suspension on this car. It's now running. We've changed the oil and the spark plugs. I have a feeling that the air suspension can be a bit problematic. This car is bought from an auction site in Germany. It's a Porsche Cayenne GTS from 2009. I know there's often some problems with the air suspension, like the compressor, for example. But let's find that out today and take a look and see how that works. First thing, I want to show you some awesome stuff that I got on my birthday. This one. Isn't it just awesome? It's my own sign. Tim's Messy Garage. And I want to have it like this on the wall, maybe some lights behind it. What do you think? Tell me in the comments if you like it. And also this one. Tools. I don't have that many tools, but now I have. And I can actually show you how it looks. And I'm a bit afraid of using them because they are so nice. And I will have everything in here. This is so cool. Yeah, I can just have maybe an episode about all the tools now and try them out. Ah, that was empty. But yeah, it's awesome. Let's start it and see if we can use the air suspension. So we got some kind of problem. It says not permissible. I haven't heard that word before, permissible. Maybe permission something. Let's Google it. Okay. That's pretty obvious. So we just need to close the door. Let's see what happens then. Let's try this out and we try to lower it a bit. Oh! Wow! Low level reached. It works. At least it thinks it's lowered. Let's check on the outside. I guess it's a bit lowered. But looking at this, it just reminds me of how ugly this wheel is. It's so small and yeah. Let's try it out like this and hopefully we can see something on the camera afterwards. Now it's at its lowest point, it says at least. Let's take it to the highest point and see if you can see something in the video. So convenient to have a mic so you can hear me even if I'm in the car. Let's start it. Let's take it to I don't know what it's called, but off-road at least, something. Okay. I can actually see it high in itself from in here. Not sure if all wheels are the same though. Hope you can see something from outside. Okay, it's reached. It looks so much higher now. Take a look here. So cool. Really high. I love this. Let's take this lamp and try. Like we can measure. It's yeah, very tight, but it goes in there. Same with the front, I hope. Yeah, much more here. And obviously there's reasons for that. Let's see the front on the other side. Yeah, hard to compare to the right side where we have the puncture, but it's much higher than before at least. And then in the back, Hmm. Here's a lot of room. So it's pretty easy to see that it's now very much higher than it was before. It's a bit of a difference between every wheel, but I suspect it to be the front puncture that is causing that one. Also on the rear left side, because the puncture is on the front right side. So yeah, I feel as long as it's changing somehow when we want to make it higher and lower, that's good. And it has changed on every wheel. That's actually awesome news. I wouldn't expect this. Since this episode has been focusing a bit on the wheels, it's very obvious to me that we need to do something about them. They look really ugly, I would say. So I need to buy new ones, bigger rims. I need spacers. They are not aligned with the body at all. I guess all Cayennes are like this. But yeah, doesn't look good. That's something we need to look into. So if you want to follow this journey, don't forget to subscribe and also leave a thumbs up if you like this. See you in the next one.